Introducing Joloda Hydraroll. We are the global leader for loading solutions, and we're here to help lighten your load. We're more than off the shelf. We're the pioneers, the creators, the experts, here to innovate, automate and streamline your logistics to create the ideal solution for your loading problems. We design, manufacture, install and maintain specialist loading systems, solving businesses' unique loading and unloading challenges by creating solutions that integrate seamlessly to provide unparalleled long-term benefits. Founded in 1962, our highly skilled team is over 250 strong, and through our extensive knowledge and expertise, we inspire change and make loading efficient, sustainable, cost-effective, and safe. We have strategically positioned our offices and production facilities in the UK, Europe, America, South America, and Asia to best serve our customers' requirements. We work with over 30 distributors across 5 continents who are experts in local standards to help deliver the best solutions possible. We are constantly assessing and adapting our operations to reduce our environmental impact, and are committed to building a better future for the next generation in a more sustainable world.